Hello, kindred spirits. In just 2 days, this is going to be a marshmallow world. So, it's time to prepare. Now, it's January, so this is not unusual. It's just a snowstorm, and there's zero reason for the panic and the fear and the worry. It's winter, but it's still wise to prepare yourself because weather can be so unpredictable. And what you may think is just a one-day storm turns into a 2-week nightmare. So we're just going to be wise and take care of things today. First up, let's go get the wash done. During Hurricane Sandy, all the laundromats were down, and once they finally did open, the lines were incredible. Let's get that taken care of now. Next stop, the post office. I know a lot of you pay your bills online. I do not. So if there's an ominous storm on the way, I think it's smart to get those bills out. So there's no problem with overcharges or missing, the deadline. So let's go inside. Okay, we're here at the gas station. We're gonna fill up and then head home. We got our water. Groceries we got yesterday, and we're going back. We're done. All of my store chores and stops are done. Now I'm just gonna prep the car with a windshield cover, because the less scraping I have to do, the happier I am. Done. I'm on the floor underneath my table because that's where my preparedness box is kept. And I just pulled out just a few things that I keep on hand for a winter emergency, things that'll keep me warm, just in case. So first, I pulled out this flannel, looks like a pillow. It's actually full of flax seeds, and you can microwave this for about a minute, and you have a nice hot, almost like a hot water bottle. And I use this for the cats to keep them warm. And it's easy to make. Just take some old flannel, maybe an old flannel shirt that you have, and fill it with flax that you can buy in bulk, and you'll have this for years. So this is one of the things I keep on hand. Another thing that I keep on hand are toe warmers by the company Grabbers. Now they make hand warmers also, but I buy the toe because you can use them on both hands and toes, rather than just the hand warmers, which are strictly for hands. So I keep lots of them, and they work so well, they last so long, it makes sense. So I keep a bunch of these on hand. Now, something else I have are these hand warmers also. You plug them in, and they will last even a little bit longer than the toe warmers will. So I keep them all. I have them all on hand. So it's just, I have to plug this in now. Excuse me, my baby, little Felicity is in the way. And we'll just plug them in and get them full of energy, and they'll be good to go. Now, speaking of energy, don't forget, soup up all of your energy packs and your cell phone, and make sure everything is to the max, just in case. Now, fortunately, I have a gas stove, so I really don't worry too much about not being able to cook or even have a cup of coffee. So that's a huge relief. But what if in a huge winter storm somehow there's no more gas available? I do have a camping stove up in my attic, and I keep butane fuel on hand, and I can use that if I want to make a cup of coffee or heat up some soup or something. Now, of course, being in an apartment, I would take that camping stove, go into a small room, aka my bathroom, with the windows fully open, and I would use the stove that way. And I also have a carbon monoxide detector, so that would be the safe way of doing it. But that's only in a rare emergency. But the point is, I'm prepared for all contingencies. So let the winter come, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. We're ready for it. Now also, in my preparedness drawer, I have tarps. So if the heat is cut and it's really that bad, I can set up a tent-like structure in this room to generate heat and kind of keep us warm. So pretty much we're set. But I do have one more way that I keep warm that really surpasses everything I've shown you. What could that be? Here it is. A fur coat. This fur coat is too small, doesn't fit me, but it doesn't matter. This thing is superior heat. There's nothing else like it. It is absolutely the best way to keep warm. I have used this coat during winters where my landlord was a little skimpy on the heat, and this saved me. I used it as a blanket. It was fantastic. Now I know a lot of people think it's unaffordable, but thrift shops carry fur coats for $50, $75. It's worth picking them up. Doesn't matter what the size is. It's all about the warmth. That's what we care about. And there's nothing else like it. It is just the best to keep you warm, truly. So think about investing a little bit of money for a lot of heat. Of course, this fur will keep you warm too. Well, that's it. We're ready. Let Mother Nature do her thing. If you'd like more winter content videos, some beautiful, peaceful, and serene videos, check out these. I think you'll be blessed. So until I see you next time, God bless you, kindred spirits. I'll see you soon.